Today I'm back in Almindingen, one of the largest forest areas on Bornholm. This place feels very different from the coastline and harbors. The roads become quieter, the trees close in around the paths, and after a while it almost feels like the rest of the island disappears for a little while. I started near the open gravel roads and smaller clearings before moving deeper into the forest. Some parts were bright with sunlight coming through the trees, while other sections became darker and more enclosed. The further in I went, the more peaceful everything started to feel. One thing I like about Almindingen is how much the scenery changes even when you are not traveling very far. One moment you are surrounded by open green areas and low bushes, and then suddenly the road turns into a long tunnel of trees stretching far ahead. Some of the paths are wide and easy to follow, while others feel more hidden away. There are also many different sounds out here. Birds almost constantly in the background, wind moving through the leaves, small branches cracking somewhere deeper in the forest, and sometimes almost complete silence for a few seconds at a time. It creates a very different atmosphere compared to the towns and harbors around Bornholm. The deeper forest sections were probably my favorite part today. Some of the roads looked almost endless with tall green trees on both sides, and the sunlight coming through the leaves gave everything a very bright green color. Even the air feels different in places like this. While filming, I also passed smaller trails leading away from the main paths. Some look barely used at all. Almindingen has many hidden corners, and that is part of why I enjoy coming here. Even if you return multiple times, you can still find roads or trails you have never explored before. The weather also worked really well for filming today. Not too dark, not too bright, just enough light to bring out the different shades of green throughout the forest. Spring is probably one of the best times to be here because everything feels alive again after winter. Some people may find long forest roads repetitive, but I actually think that is part of the charm. There is something relaxing about simply moving forward through nature without rushing. No crowds, no traffic noise everywhere, just the road ahead and the sound of the surroundings. Toward the end, I reached some more open areas again, where the sunlight became stronger and the forest opened up a little. After spending time deeper inside the trees, those brighter sections almost felt completely different from where I started earlier. Almindingen is very different from the coastal parts of Bornholm, but that is exactly why I wanted to film here today. Bornholm is not only cliffs, harbors, and seaside towns. There are also forests, long quiet roads, hidden trails, and places where everything slows down for a while. I hope you enjoy this walk through Almindingen here on Bornholm. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more places around beautiful Bornholm, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. There is still a lot more to explore, from quiet forests and beaches to small towns, harbors, restaurants, and hidden places all around the island.